guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, a lot of you told me of my issue that I have on the Mustang, and you told me what to do to make the issue not fully go away, but make it a lot better. So we bought something for the interior of the Mustang that is going to make our pleasure of driving the car much, much better. Guys, so right here is a 2002 to 04 center console. Now, besides having a nice shift boot now, which I'll show you guys the original console and how the 98 differs from what we have right here. We do have the pretty much the same, top piece here, but this is the reason I bought it. These cup holders are way more usable than the cup holders in my car currently. Now, in 02, they did a slight redesign of this, and this is what they did. They pretty much moved the cup holders. They moved your coin slot or your fog light switch or your convertible top switch up here, which makes way more sense because your shifter's right here, so you're not yamming into your cup, you know what I mean? And then the nice boot. So this is really simple, swap out. I am not personally going to wire the cigarette lighters or anything. I just don't need to. I have one by my shifter, so that's the one I always use. So I'm not going to wire any of that. I'm just going to leave the wires like this. But yeah, get it tossed in. It's 4 bolts. I'll show you where they're at. All right, so this is the center console that is in the Cobra right now, right? So as you guys can see, this cup holder is literally unusable. It's really shallow, and anything you put in it falls over, which is a big issue because that forces you to use this one, which I like my Dunkin' Donuts and I like my large green tea or iced tea or whatever, right? And when you put that in this cup holder, you physically can't shift. It touches the cup. It's pretty bad design on Ford's part. They did make it a little bit better. I still think they probably should have put the e-brake over here and then put the cup holders over here, but to each his own. And yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm not going to wire the cigarette lighter that's in the actual console on that one. This one, I never use this one. I legitimately only use that one, and that one's going right back where it is. So I just don't see a purpose to it. Also, our fog light switch, if you guys know these cars from the factory, the fog lights don't come on with the markers. So I actually have this wired to come on with my markers. So this switch does nothing. It doesn't turn the fog lights on or off. They turn on and off by my headlight switch now. So probably tuck this away and we'll just keep the coin slot on the other one. It just makes more sense. But yeah, let's get this thing tossed in. Got 2 screws underneath here in the inside. And then we're going to pop this out. Just pops right out. And there's 2 screws there and there. So I got the console out. I cut it because the way that I wired my speed cal, the wires would have had to be reconnected and stuff, and I wasn't about it, so I just cut it. The new one will actually just rest over top of it, and then we won't have that issue again going forward, taking out the center console. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. I am going to have to swap over the harness because the cigarette lighter plug we spoke about up front, it runs off that harness, which plugs into this. So it's a little bit different than the 02, but the routing of the harness should be very, very similar, and we should have an issue putting it there. But yeah, yours, it'll be literally like all 7s everywhere for them. Mine, as you can see, I'm missing the clip. So one clip's there, one clip's not there. So mine were all different sized bolts, but yeah, pretty much that is it. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the consoles. As you can see, there's plugs up here. This is actually the cigarette lighter plug that we have right here. So pretty much I'm going to take this whole entire harness and just move it to here. It looks like it's routed exactly the same on both of them. And then you can see the difference in the cup holders here and here. And then, like I was saying, with the fog light switch back here and then the coin holder up here. So that's where your fog light switch would technically go. But I'm pretty sure new edges, I'm pretty sure they come on with the marker lights, like how I wired this car. So I don't think they have fog light switches. I think that would be like the convertible top switch if it was a vert. And then obviously we have this cheap looking rubber around the e-brake, but we're gonna have a nice boot now. The armrest portion is a little bit different also, if you guys could see that. This is actually longer and extends outward more than that one. So it's definitely just a nicer design. I mean, it's a newer car, so makes perfect sense. All right, so I got the whole entire harness swapped over. We're pretty much ready to go back in. I left the fog light switch, like I was saying, underneath. I'm just gonna tuck it all up. A lot of the clips that hold the harness do line up, some don't. It's really not that big a deal. You could just tuck the harness underneath. But the harness actually utilizes the same plug for the cigarette lighter inside the console here as the other one uses. So that's really nice because now I have 2 cigarette lighters that are gonna work. Very, very nice. So I'm gonna get this tossed right back in and we'll get our new look going in here and hopefully be a lot more enjoyable to drive around with a drink and shift gears, because definitely sucks. I mean, if somebody rolls up on me and I have a fucking drink in my cup holder, I can't even race them. So what fun is that? So I just got done putting it in. The color's a little bit off. This is a medium black and I have a black on black interior, but it is what it is, race car, you know what I mean? So I had a new center, and the only things that you really have to do is take the harness from your old center console and swap it to this center console. Like I said about the fog light switch, it's tucked underneath it, and this one mounts slightly different. So the screws are in the inside here, not around the outside like I did when I was taking it apart to take the tray out. That tray actually just clips in, and then it has 2 screws at the bottom and then a little felt pad that goes on top. The other thing too is, unless you grab the airbag module bracket, you're gonna have a slight gap back here. Me personally, it is what it is. I don't really care. It's sitting level, like perfectly fine. So it's kind of just a cosmetic thing, but nobody ever goes in the back of these cars anyways, and we don't have a rear seat, so yeah. But we have a much more usable center console, and we have 2 working cigarette lighters too, this one and that one, so that's pretty nice. That's going to conclude today's video. If you like what you saw in this video, drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We are actually going to be monetizing the channel very, very shortly. Actually, when this video gets posted, we're most likely going to already be monetized. So that's a huge plus, and you know, happy to share that with you guys. But if you guys just enjoyed today's video, drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Peace out. Later.
Every